Welcome to Quick Tips with MIE Solutions. I'm Ray Anderson, and today we're going to discuss the third rule of implementation, getting employee buy-in. It is important to hold your staff accountable for learning and using a new ERP system. If you give a deadline for the initiative but fail to follow through, people will quickly assume that you're not serious about this change. To make the changes more attractive to employees and encourage buy-in, you must communicate. Describe how the new system will make their jobs easier and how the company will benefit. At the same time, explain how difficult it will be for your company to remain competitive without an efficient system to manage production. Demonstrate commitment and support. When your staff sees that management is fully behind this initiative, they are far more likely to support it. If there is a dissonance between management, then you can bet your staff will be split as well. Insist that your employees take ownership of the process. Studies show when someone is assigned a specific task, or in this case is asked to learn something that will benefit them and their team, they're more dedicated to completing that task. Without employee buy-in, the implementation takes longer, becomes more stressful than necessary, or fails completely. Take the proper steps to get your employees to trust your judgment and follow your leadership throughout this process. We hope these tips help you evaluate your business, and stay tuned for the next quick tip.